Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the best tips and tricks for video editing. Today, we're exploring how to add a photo to your videos using CapCut, a popular mobile video editing app that's perfect for creators on the go. Whether you're making a video for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, this feature can add a personal touch or highlight information. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the CapCut app installed on your phone. If you haven't yet, head over to your Play Store and download it. Once you've got CapCut open, start by creating a new project. Tap on New Project and select the video you want to edit from your gallery. After your video is loaded into the timeline, we're ready to add a photo. To add a photo, look for the overlay option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and then choose to overlay. Now you can select the photo you want to add from your gallery. Once selected, the photo will appear on top of your video in the timeline. Here's where the fun begins. You can resize and reposition your photo just by dragging and pinching. CapCut also offers a variety of options to customize your photo overlay, including changing the duration, adding borders, shadows, and even applying animations for how the photo appears and disappears. And just like that, you've added a dynamic photo to your video. And there you have it. Adding a photo to your video in CapCut is a simple yet effective way to enhance your content. Whether it's for storytelling, adding context, or just making your videos more engaging, this feature is definitely worth trying out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.